Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really going to glam it up. We are doing a pink maroon kind of makeup look today that you can wear on a date night, a nighttime out, perfect for the springtime, perfect for the summer. So we are really going to get it in today. If you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I already did my eyebrows and already primed my eyelids. I prime my eyelids with the Painterly Paint Pot, which I usually use as my eyeshadow base. So next up, we're going to directly go into eyeshadow. So I am using the Maroon Mayhem BeBella Pro palette. This is such a versatile palette because it comes with different types of colors. It comes with reds, browns, even some pink shades, shimmery shades, and it's a great deal for what you get. I believe it was very inexpensive. I remember getting two palettes from this company, and it was very affordable. So I definitely highly recommend this, and the shadows are pretty pigmented for the price point. So that's what we're going to be using today. So I am first going to go in with this light kind of brownish taupe shade as my transition color and place this pretty much all over the lid. And then I'm picking it up once again to kind of build on to the eye area. Using the same brush, I am going to go in to this color right here, which is kind of that maroon pink color with some purple undertones. So I'm going to pick up that shade there and put that on top of what the other color we just placed and blend it into the crease. We're going to grab more of that color, place it directly on top of the previous colors to kind of intensify the eye look. Okay, and then next we're going to take this second color that was right next to that first color we used, that red pink color, and using that same brush, we place this on top of the maroon color. Taking the color in the last row, the second color on the left side, we're going to take that kind of burgundy brown shade using the E38 brush, and we're going to focus this mainly on the outer edge of the eye. Bring it up, focusing on those outer corners. That shade that's directly right next to that color, we're going to use that and place that directly on top of the color we just used, deepening the eye look because it's going to be kind of smoky, and kind of bringing it in up and then blending it out on the outer corners like so. And don't worry if you get messy with it. We're going to clean all this up with concealer. This is just kind of how it should look. This is why when I do dramatic looks, I like to do the eye area first because I can always just clean it up. Actually probably just clean it up with a makeup wipe. I'm going to go in with this lighter pink color. I'm going to take that color and just kind of blend that up near the brow bone. Take another brush to kind of blend out a little bit more of those colors so it's not so harsh. Right, next up for the lid, I'm going to be taking these two colors that are on top, those two pink shades, and I'm going to be mixing them to just mix both of the colors and then spray my brush to kind of intensify the lid a little bit more so it's more glittery. And I'm going to place that directly on the inner part of my lid. Okay, and then picking up the outer corner colors, the brown and the burgundy, and just kind of going to place more of that since we lost a little bit of it while placing the lid color. going to take a little bit more of this rose gold color. I'm going to take a little bit more of that rose gold color on the lid. Spraying my brush with a setting spray. Placing that like on the middle part of the eyes. Get a little bit of this color right there. Just a little bit of that on the brow bone. Alright, so now to clean up the eye area, I'm just taking a makeup wipe and I'm just going to kind of drag it across so it's not as messy. To begin the face look, I'm actually going to be using the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Primer. This is kind of like a nice glowy primer for underneath your foundation. It's kind of going to give you some dewiness. So I'm going to place that on the face. See, it's already giving you a nice glowiness and life to the skin. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Loreal True Match foundation, one of my favorites. It's a super blendable makeup liquid foundation, and I'm using the shade Sun Beige. And then I am going to use an angle kabuki brush by Beauty Junkies, and I am going to go ahead and blend my foundation in. Normally I would use a beauty blender, but a lot of my beauty blenders are dirty, so I wanted to go ahead and use a clean brush today. But I also love using kabuki brushes as well too. So I'm going in with this, making sure it's nice and blended. Alright, and then for concealer today, one of my favorites, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's a very full coverage concealer. One of my go-tos when I am doing full face makeup. Love wearing this to events. It's one of my all-time go-tos. So I'm going to be placing this underneath the eye, chin, forehead, and I'm going to be blending it out with my Morphe G2 brush. Blending it in. And I always use this brush because it's nice, fluffy, to just kind of go around the eye area. It's perfect to blend out concealer. And you can also use it for powders too, as well. Use just a little bit more. And I'm using the shade Light Medium Honey. So to set that concealer, I'm going to be using my Select Sheer Pressed Powder by MAC in NC35. And I'm going to pick up my Morphe E8 brush to kind of set the concealer in place. And then for contour, I'm going to be going in with my Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm going to be using the two darker colors, Subconscious and Shadow Play. First I'm going to go in with Shadow Play. I would show you my palette, but it is like destroyed. I need to get a new one. So you already know the deal. That's like one of my favorite contour colors I like to use. So I'm going to first be going in with Shadow Play. And I am using the Sephora Sculpt Duo brush, one for sculpting and then one for highlighting. And I'm going to be using the sculpting end to kind of contour my face. On my temples, forehead, you know the deal. A little bit on my nose area. And then I'm going to be going in with Subconscious to darken that up. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. blush palette. This you can find like in Target, any drugstore pretty much. This is like a really nice palette for springtime because it has like the pink colors, and then it also has like kind of like a bronzy shade too. So I think this palette is really nice for this time of the year. So I'm actually going to be mixing these two brighter pink shades So I'm gonna get a little bit more. Definitely not every day, but I think it's beautiful for springtime. It really enhances the face. I think blush all around enhances the face so much. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. I always hear so many good things about this highlighter, and it's beautiful. This is like the rose gold shade. So I am going to be picking up the R37 brush. I'm going to use this for highlighting. And I like to always spray my brush to give more of an intense kind of highlight. And then I like to place this on the top of my blush. And then around the brow, kind of giving the C shape. Perfect. And then place some on the top of the nose area, a little bit on the forehead, ball of the nose, upper lip. Next up, we're going to be doing mascara. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes and go in with my Lash Paradise by Loreal as my mascara for top lashes. I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel Lash Accelerator because it's a thinner wand, and I am going to put some mascara on the lower lash line. Those colors that we use on the crease, we're pretty much going to use on the lower lash line to kind of finish up the look. So I am going to go in with like a pencil brush. This one is the Pencil E30 brush by Sigma, and I'm going to pick up that very first color that we used on the crease and place that on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with that mauve color that we used on the crease, focusing that on the outer part of the lower lash line. And then taking this type of brush, the Blending E45 brush by Sigma, I'm going to take some of that color, place it underneath. Then I'm going to deepen it up with our Outer V colors, that burgundy shade. And you don't have to go super heavy-handed on it. You want to be very light when you're picking up these colors because you don't want it to be like super harsh either, unless that's what you're going for. I love dramatic looks, like I said, so if that's what you want to do, you can go ahead and do that. But you actually don't have to pick up that much of those colors. It's just kind of pulling in and tying in the eye look. Putting a little bit of the brown color. And then using like a pink shimmery color to tie it all in. Okay, I am going to use a black eyeliner to line the lower lash line. So I am taking the Rimmel, this is the Exaggerate. This one's a waterproof one, eye definer, but you can use pretty much whatever black eyeliner you like. This one just works for me. That same highlighter, the Maybelline Master Chrome, and I am going to put this on the inner corner of my eyes to kind of give it like more of a pop. The NYX black eyeliner as my eyeliner, so I'm going to go in and do that, and then also do my lashes. So I already went ahead and put my eyelashes off camera. So next and last, we're going to be doing our lips. So for lip color today, I'm going to be going in with the Magenta Lip Pencil by MAC. And I'm going to line my lips with this first. After I line my lips, I'm going to be going in with the color Bunnybeams with colors from MAC. It's like a lavender pink kind of color, and this is a matte shade. Love this color so much. Just going back in with the lip pencil to line my lips. I'm also going to put like a shimmery color on the middle part of my lips. I am going to be going in with also another MAC lipstick color, and this one is in the metallic shade Love's a Gamble. And I'm going to place this on the middle part of the lips. Lastly, for gloss, I'm going in with Oyster Girl by MAC, which is like a pearlized pink champagne color, and placing this on as gloss in the middle. Going in with my Badescu. Right, so this completes the final makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I hope you can create this on yourselves for this spring and summer. It's such a glam look that would really make a statement on a night out or for a date night or just to go to the grocery store. Why not? So I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please down below make sure you comment what you would like to see next from me, and also a question that you would like to get to know me a little bit better. I am planning on hopefully doing a get to know me video so you guys can kind of get to know my personality a little bit more. So be sure to leave a comment, and I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye.